Okay, let's start guys. I-report
Kaya
na
ano
mga
yung
mali.
sinasabi sa akin ni Kuya Tarzan, matigas nga daw yung
For
ulo
today's
nga daw
video.
yan. Pag mukha lang daw mabait pag sa harap. Yun ang sabi ni Tarzan sa akin.
Andun nga talaga siya. I was checking. What the fuck?
In a roller coaster of emotion.
Speedrun.
Unfortunately, may nalagay kami.
I think I've got it down. Like the
The
image.
reporter.
Yeah, yung nasa. May gamit na tayo sa
Bilan
telephone.
niya. Tama.
The what? The lights. I never noticed it.
Judgmental.
Because the report is
The
always
new
on.
normal.
Oo, kanina umuwi na naman na nagpaalam.
TNT.
Wala pa nga sa oras na may mas scary. What's with?
By Lazada. And
That's
RC Cola.
of course has.
Eh, totoo naman eh. Siyempre, marami siyang nararamdaman na nakakatawan niya.
Ito na, laro po kompleto sa weekend ninyo.
Wait.
Bawal judgmental.
Yung mga resibo dyan, siyang yan. Kailangan siyang yung iwan mo sa akin.
Go back here.
Nasa itaas daw. Ewan ko dyan kay Pakundo. Yung dalawa niya
Kasi
na
always
nandun,
been
hindi naman
pinapula-
isasama. Hindi ko alam anong oras kayo makakabalik.
I don't know.
Yan, yung isang araw, yan din yung problema ko sa kanya. Nag-aaway rin kami. Kukunin ko na yung resibo, hindi niya pinapapirma. Ang tamad-tamad, walang ginawa kundi
I'm always
matulog.
driven.
Yung isang araw, pinapakargahan ko na yung botong.
Dapat to.
Si Ma'am Rio, tinatawag na siya.
Hindi.
So, na-report na naman
Ay,
sa
sorry
Davao.
about
Tinatanong
I don't
tuloy
know.
kung meron ba totoong container o wala.
I think I am.
Kasi nagsabi siya sa akin na isasalang niya, tapos po, nag-oo siya, natulog.
Ay, ang galing mo. Uy, ang galing mo. Uy! Ano yun? I don't know, I'm just recording. I don't know. Mimik. Bak.
Kung ibaba nyo na lang po yan, basta importante po, ibigay nyo po kay Kuya Openya yung yung resibo. Kailangan ko yan bukas. Kailangan ko magpa-counter. Nakita nyo na po yung siyam na
Oh wait,
resibo.
why did I flinch? What happened? Displacement?
Hindi pa kundo sa inyo yung siyam.
I have no idea.
Papabigay na lang po kay Kuya Openya.
Nothing happened.
Hindi, siyam yan. Siyam na dapat na nakaregister yan. Siyam na numero yan.
Keep doing that.
Pakibilang na lang po. Pabigay po kay Kuya Openya. Sige po, salamat po.
Today's video, I will push. We are speed running this right now. I think end up affordable fun. Because you're not playing penny.
Subi, baka bukas di mo ko masamahan na mabubugbog kita.
Sanahan. Sige mo lang ako mag- Has it always been this way? Stupid TV. Has it always been this? Alin? Mimic ba? Or displacement? Let's try displacement. Oh, nag-doble yung ano. Mimic. Why you look that way? Kasi nagre-reflect yung TV. Takot ako. Dalawa yung room. Try natin. Okay. Ako rin eh.
Pero kasi nakakatulong yung ganito actually para pag nasa awal yes, that's a strong one.
Screams of a video. What radio? Oh, the wire. Told you I hate that like that. I hate it. Please get electrical to last. Yeah, just the lights. Mm-hmm. last attempted one. I think they got the shampoo is
Sabi
there.
ko, nabaliw na ako
What did we do in the shampoo? Displacement? Display. No, mimic kasi it's there. It's not shampoo, it's cream.
Nakatulog
This
na po
move,
si
aloe
Baklang
vera.
to, hindi na po sumasagot.
Kasi mabaliw tayo sa lalaki.
No, I didn't. Ha?
Kakausap niyo po? Sige po, sige po.
Mimic.
Like mother, like daughter.
Yung ano po, yung resibo, nabilang niyo na po? O sige, pabigay na lang po kay Kuya Openya.
No, I've changed it.
Opo, opo,
Check
iwan po.
here.
Kasi pag biglang natapos yung
Nothing
wala
changed.
pag-hila, mayayari na naman ako kay sa Davao.
Nothing changed. Oh, we're not moving around at the mic. Shit, you're so right about that. Galing. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Pura man, nakikaloka naman si ate. Ano transition mo?
Tsaka alam mo yung meron kang magpapangamang pero wala kang basura. Oo, di ba? Magpapangamang kami sa new cocktails. And open sila for franchise.
Back.
Franchise dyan.
Displacement.
Oo, magpunta ko ang franchise sa mga.
Ayun na.
Ako sa mga
Slower.
gumagawa.
Oh no, your camera. Displacement. Oh, what happened? I think, Tulpa! I think this is his place. No. Do you hear that? No. Maybe there'll be a Tulpa now. It's where they had the TV reflection. Scared. I can't! I can't see you. Bathroom?
3 months.
I can't do this anymore. What's that? Something's on. Maybe the speakers. Electrical? Hindi, electrical or ano? Oo nga. What if it's outside? The morning sound.
Ganito yung feeling pag
Hindi mo na Try ano? Oh! Is that a cloak guy? Oh my god, I think it is. Pretty sure. You're so right about that. What the heck can barely see it? Grabe, salamin talaga. Ah, yun pala yung bulong niya. Constant. Na-close. Yeah. You that? Eto, gumalaw na yung camera. Sure na to. Oh yeah. Not found? Ano to, mimic? Displacement dapat yun ah. Ulo, yun. Renan. Hinimik ko siya eh. Weird. Ano, doble na takip? Ganun. Mabak ka? Doble lang to. Wow, okay. Sila na ng binit eh.
Very friendly ang mga people here. Kasi mag-abol bukas.
The microwave. Yeah. Sabi ko na yung may misa
Talaga
eh.
akong magpapaakot.
Okay.
Yung mga nurse sa ER, ilang beses labas-pasok sa ugat ko yan. Dito isahan.
Ganda pala ito na mas naka-earphone.
Papalitan sila dahil
Wag, ayoko. Me neither. Thank goodness na ako.
dito ako
Oh,
nagpapalash.
displacement.
Ever since. Gusto mo lang ako lash dito. So, ayun,
Search ko na lang kaya kung ano yung tulpa.
Ayan na.
Yeah, we can do that.
Ayan na. Pakita niyo yung sipon yung gayang-gaya. Wow.
This is the first time I've seen a preacher, actually. Damn, we've had our many firsts. Your form, preacher,
Diba?
first corpse. Tulpa na lang talaga di natin nakikita.
So, dire-diretso yung mga ginagawa ko. Ngayon,
Mimic.
skin, tapos ngayon, so lahat, ginagawa ko before mag-outing or before mag-pasok ng school. Para mag-improve
I will know your greatest fear.
Sab, alam mo siya tapa ko. Part of the game? Oo. Nakakainis naman. Gusto ko siya kausapin. Stop. Tapos nag-reply. What decision, Mark?
Pero kasi
Another corpse?
actually, para pag nasa outing ka, hindi mo na masyadong palikot.
Bedroom. Ano siya? Corpse. Right, the same corpse. So, there was gonna be siya yung nagbaril. Sa reason. Ay, sa ano siya, canon talaga siya to the Mandela Canon. Really? Someone, themselves? Yeah. Bakit? Nakapag-internet act siya sa anomaly. Sa alternate. Apple guy. Yeah, kind of. So that's why they're like, if you interact with Kapagay, you'll die. Pero hindi mo talaga siya kamukha. Like, tulad ng mga nakikita natin na floor. Yun, yun. So why did they kill the floor? Psychological abuse yung ginagawa nila. It's worth the risk. For the last 2 hours, I'm ready for last run. I'm sleeping. My head hurts. To sleep after this. Diba siya lang. We had this last run for the Tulpa, but I guess we won't see him. Sunshine. Oh! Ay! You wanna look at him? Sure. Hey, you know, have a nice meal, my guy. Another one. Kabila. He's black. Hey, di ba sa basement yun? Ay, hindi pala. Yeah, tama. It's in the basement. Kasi you can check both. I think I mean either. Uy, guy! He's looking at you. Nice face, bro. What if bigla siya Hey! Wala, sarado na.
Pakainis naman. Mahigit pa ako sa mag-roon. Happy birthday!
Ano? Electric. Saan yan? Bedroom? Bedroom. Ay, hindi. Bedroom na. Ay, hindi. It's gonna You're so right. Trust yourself, Bea. Why did you gaslight yourself? Why did you gaslight yourself? Because I'm good. Oy! Ano nangyari? Below this basement. Oh, shit. I'm so like uncomfortable right now. Yan na.
So, ayun na nga. Bakit na tayo? Ngayon ang mga kapatid niya. Nag-asikaso ng parents. Parang hindi na kung ano-ano. Ayun lang. Tapos ngayon na tayo lang. Super makita lang parang so, let's bounce. Anyways, thank you sa iconic for making extension. And for my nails, thank you nail cocktails. And for my lashes and my skin, vanilla skin. Bukas ko na ang buhay there. Pero I don't know my eyes. So, let's bounce.
Our neighboring fire department with the address and the brief
This one here
description of the event.
I want to see the show.
When the caller has a medical emergency, immediately contact the Mandela Community Hospital.
I think the videos here are actual like videos from the Mandela. You wanna watch it? No, may bathroom. What happened? Toothbrush. Ooh. You should write about that. Oh, okay.
Yan pang yung babae.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Sifu. Excuse me. That's straight before, right? Yeah, it's easy. Like you. Real. Parang this moved it. I'm lying to myself. It's not. Yeah, everything looks slant to me. Not gonna lie. Like, I feel like they all do. We are in the last 30 minutes, guys. Balikan natin siya. Bro, that was crazy. I didn't expect him to look. That was the creepiest. Project. Parang image. Hindi, no? Talaga gumagalaw to. Binabantay yung these scissors eh. Nagpapalit sila eh. Nasumigit na siya. Oh, lumik.
Mas parang pok-pok na ganun.
Oo nga. Ay, sino ba yun?
Yes, that's a strong one.
Eh, displacement. Did we get everything? Hopefully we did. Oh, two displacements. Pati yung mahal. Ay. No. 4 seconds. Check the days.
Madalas.
Huh? It's on. Bobo. Wala, di mo na-record.
No.
You are so shit for that. Tangina mo.
Oh, sayang.